Hi everyone! Does your home feel too crowded or jumbled? Getting rid of mess and organizing your space is the best way to make your home peaceful and useful. A lot of us keep things we don't need, which can make us feel stressed and at odds with ourselves. You can make your home feel bigger and more relaxing by finding and getting rid of things that you don't need. This video will show you some useful ways to clean up and organize your home. By doing these things, you can get rid of things that aren't needed anymore and make your living space more organized and peaceful. Old magazines and newspapers. Newspapers and magazines can pile up quickly and take up space that could be used for something else. They can also make your home look crowded and gather dust. To keep things clean, go through your collection often and throw away things that are no longer useful. Only keep new or special copies, and if you need to, store them neatly. By taking this easy step, you'll make more room on shelves and tables, making your home look cleaner and better put together. Getting rid of this kind of junk will make your home look better and feel bigger by making room for more important things. Expired products. Old drugs, food, and beauty products can take up a lot of space in your home and be bad for your health. Check the dates on things in your pantry, bathroom, and medicine cabinet often to see when they go bad. Get rid of any old goods safely and replace them with new ones. This will not only make your home feel cleaner, but it will also make sure you use products that are safe and efficient. Keeping your kitchen and bathroom clean and stocked with only the most recent and necessary things will help you stay organized and avoid making a mess. Clothes you never wear. Clothes that don't fit or haven't been worn in months take up space in your room over time. This stuff can make it harder to find the clothes you need because it adds to the mess. Regularly go through your closet and get rid of things that don't serve you anymore. Good condition clothes should be donated or sold, and broken clothes should be recycled or thrown away. Not only will this make room for the clothes you love, but it will also make it easier to keep your closet clean. Getting rid of extra stuff in your closet can help calm down your living area. Too much paperwork, especially old bills, notes, and documents, can quickly take over your home and make it hard to see and think straight. Every so often, go through all the paper in your home. Put away the papers you need and throw away the ones you don't need or are out of date. Get digital storage for your important papers and use filing systems to keep your desk neat. Cutting down on paper clutter will help you keep your space cleaner and simpler, and it will be easier to find the documents you need. If you take the time to organize your papers, your home will feel more clean and well run. Broken home appliances. Having broken or badly fixed up appliances around the house can take up room and make it feel crowded. It's better to get rid of an item that can't be fixed or is no longer useful. Look for broken things in your kitchen, laundry room, and other places. Fix the ones that can still be used and properly get rid of the rest. By getting rid of broken or unused appliances, you'll make room for things you really need and make your home feel bigger and more useful. Make sure that the things you put in there only work. Extra furniture. Having too much or not needed furniture in a room can make it feel crowded and messy. Donating, selling, or reusing old furniture that doesn't fit in your home or is too crowded is a good idea. Take out the things that you don't need or aren't using. This will not only make more room, but it will also make your rooms feel bigger and warm. Getting rid of some of your extra furniture will make your home move better, making it more comfortable and useful. Having a few pieces of furniture will make the room look cleaner and less crowded, which will make it feel bigger. Old electronics that aren't being used, like old phones, chargers, or gadgets, can pile up in drawers and take up room that isn't needed. When these things aren't in good working order, they can quickly add to the mess. Sort through your gadgets and get rid of anything that doesn't work or is out of date. You could donate or recycle the things if they are still useful. Putting away gadgets you don't use just makes things more disorganized. You can make more room in your home and keep it organized by getting rid of old electronics and keeping only the ones you really need. Too much decor. When you have too many decorative things in a room, it can feel crowded and disorganized. Adding personal touches to your home with decor is nice, but putting too many things in a room that aren't needed can make it look bad. Go through your home and take a look at the decorations you have. Only keep the things that make the room look better and make you happy. Get rid of or store things that don't go with the rest of your room's style. You can make the space more peaceful and orderly by keeping the decorations simple. A place that is clean and well organized will feel more welcoming and calm. Toys your kids don't use, toys that aren't being played with, or that your kids are too big for, can take up a lot of room. Toys like these tend to pile up and make playrooms, bedrooms, and living rooms look cluttered. Go through the toys your kids no longer want and give, sell, or trash them. This not only makes room, but it also helps keep the house simple and clean. Keeping only the toys that get used often will make the place where your kids play more organized. It's an easy way to keep things in order and make the space fun and useful. Conclusion: getting rid of things you don't need can make a big difference in making your home more peaceful and tidy. You can get rid of old magazines, expired goods, broken tools, and extra furniture. This will not only make more room in your home, but it will also make it feel better overall. You can make your living space more comfortable and useful by taking small steps to keep things in order. Enjoy these tips for getting rid of clutter in your home. Please join, share, and leave a comment below.